Hello everyone, welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. I want to say thank you so much to everybody that has subscribed to my channel, whether you were with me from the beginning or fairly new. I want to say thank you for coming. And in doing so, because we reached 200 subscribers, I have a giveaway for you guys. So I'm going to go over all the items that I got. They're all purchased by me from the Dollar Tree. They're all brand new, and they will be sent to you if you are my giveaway winner. So let me show you what I got. So we have the super cute galvanized gnome sign. Do thumbnail. As one of my favorite YouTubers does all the time. She's super fun. And then I have the wooden truck round sign. And that super fun YouTuber is Frugal J. I'll put her channel down below. I absolutely love her. She's so fun. You should definitely check her out if you haven't before. You will also get these pack of DIY pins, some DIY wood stickers, a DIY wooden Valentine's Day truck, a wooden heart, some create your own Valentine's heart decor pieces, and the ever super cute Nomies. Isn't he adorable? So we have the cute little gray and pink with the heart. And then, sorry, it's a little rough. He needs a little cleaning up. A little red with the pink heart and the pink hat. So we'll try another little thumbnail. So to win all of these giveaways, you have to apply to the following rules, which are 1, you have to be 18 years or older. 2, you have to live in the United States and have a United States postal mailing address. 3, you have to subscribe to my channel. I will be checking. 4, you need to like this video, give it a thumbs up. 5, you need to comment down below what your favorite item is in this giveaway and then also hashtag 200. That's hashtag 200. I will pick the winner. This giveaway will close on January 15th, and I will pick the winner. I'll announce it here on my channel, and I will comment to the winner. I will apply to your comment on this video that you're my winner, and then you'll email me, and I'll send out all these goodies to you. And again, I want to say thank you to everyone who has come over and joined my channel. I have lots of fun crafts coming for this year. And also, I will be doing giveaways every time we reach 100 subscribers more. So we are at, I believe, 217 subscribers. When we reach 300, I will do another giveaway. So again, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. And if you want to have more giveaways, please share, so we can get more people to the channel to come join us and craft with us, so I can give you guys more goodies as a way to say thank you for joining and following my channel and let you know I really appreciate you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to talking to you guys all again soon. Bye.